Alright, we're asked to factor 2x squared minus 8. So let's look at our methods chart. Going down the list, 1, is there a GCF? Is there a number that they share in common that I could divide both of them by? Or do they share any variables? Well, looking at 2 and 8, I can divide both of those by 2. So method number 1 is going to apply here where I factor out a 2. If I factor out a 2, well, 2 times x squared would get me 2x squared. I would bring down the minus sign, and then 2 times 4 would get me 8. So from there, if you ever notice that what's left in the parentheses can still be factored by another method, you must continue factoring. So I'm left with x squared minus 4. So I'm definitely done with the GCF. Going to method number 2, difference of squares. First of all, it has to be subtraction between two terms, and I do have a subtraction symbol in between two terms, x squared and 4. And both of them have to be squares. Well, is x squared a square? Well, that's x times x. Is 4 a square? Yeah, that's 2 times 2. So in fact, we're actually going to be applying two different methods here to factor. So the 2 is still in front. And for method number 2, we open up two parentheses, and we alternate our signs. One's a plus, one's a minus, and then we split the first term, which was x squared, in the first spots. So one x in the first spot, and then the next x in the other first spot. And then we split the back term in the back spots. So 2 is going to go here, and then the next 2 goes in the next parenthesis. So this is completely factored by using both methods number 1 and 2.